Good morning and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. Just got back from the gym, going to be making some protein waffles. Just been drinking my dark roast coffee. I just drink an organic decaf dark roast, black, nothing fancy, nothing in it, but it is delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and make protein waffles. I got a waffle maker on Amazon for like $22, $24. It's the Oster brand, so it's like barely inexpensive. And waffles make me happy. So we're gonna make that with protein. I really love to start the day with protein, starting it with like at least 20, but like 20, 25 grams of protein. 30 if you can, really helps to balance blood sugar. It's really good for metabolism. It's really good for also keeping you full long, so you're not like hungry in an hour, especially if you're busy like me. Like, I don't want to eat breakfast and in an hour be hungry and need more. And also when you balance your blood sugar by having lots of like protein and fiber, you just feel better throughout the day. Your energy levels stay consistent. You don't get things like anxiety or shaky or jittery. So we're gonna go ahead and make these protein waffles. All right, so this is everything you're gonna need: egg, baking powder, almond flour, some protein powder. I'm using the Nuzes vanilla one, yogurt, and some vanilla. So this is the finished waffle. We have the berries for some sweetness to keep it low sugar, and then a high protein waffle. All right, it is time for lunch. I'm so excited, I'm hungry. It is 12:30. I've been working away. We've worked up an appetite for lunch. But before we get into that, I wanted to mention today's sponsor, LMNT. Guys, they've been a sponsor of the channel for a while, and it's because it is a ride or die. I used them for so long, and when they reached out, I was like, hell yes, because I've bought so many packets of LMNT. LMNT is the electrolytes that I swear by. It is science-backed, which you guys know is important to me. I am a stickler when it comes to science and actually having like good quality supplements and things in my diet, in my life, in my routine. And LMNT is a game changer. So they have a ratio of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It is no gluten, no dodgy ingredients, vegan, paleo, keto, no sugar. So if you are keto, it's only 1 gram of carbs. This is the watermelon one, which is the one I've been obsessed with this week. I also love the citrus and the chocolate. The chocolate is so good in smoothies. It is so good in coffee. It's so good in hot chocolate. And honestly, when you want like a little chocolate fix in the afternoon, chocolate salt, like in just water, you got sweet, you got salty. I'm a big fan. These come with me everywhere. Traveling, car, purse. I have at least one, usually like 2 now, a day, depending on how much I'm sweating, how much I'm outside. I just basically found that even with eating clean and everything like that, electrolyte balances can still come up, and I wasn't absorbing water properly. I was peeing all the time. And you can also get things like headaches, muscle aches, cravings in between meals, lethargy, like brain fog, and electrolytes not only solved this for me, but it's been a game changer for so many of you. So I like that they come in individual packets. I'm gonna show you guys. It's easy, so you can throw them in your purse, bring them to work, bring them to school. I always start my day with elements. The first thing I do I have a packet of almond before coffee. This is especially good because coffee is a diuretic. Coffee dehydrates you. You haven't been drinking water all night while you're sleeping. The first thing I do is hydrate, then coffee, then get on with my day. And then I have one usually after workouts or in the afternoon. So they did give me a code for you guys to get a free sample pack with any order, which is so insane because even if you use my one from a while ago, this is a new one where you get a free sample pack even if you are a returning customer. So there's really like no downside. I'm gonna leave that link here and also down below. And that way you can try one of all their flavors. You can let me know which one is your favorite. Like I said, raspberry, citrus, watermelon, and then like the chocolate salt are my faves. And with that being said, let's go and make some lunch. All right, so for lunch, I've been a big fan of cooking once, eating twice, or sometimes 3 times when it comes to like making leftovers of things so that my lunch is easy the next day. So we have, that I made last night for us, for my fiance and I, spinach feta burgers. I've made these with turkey before, but we had beef in the freezer, so I used that. Here, I'll show you. So these are the leftover burgers that I made. I posted this recipe on my Instagram, which if you're not following, definitely follow me on there because I post recipes there as well that you don't necessarily see here or you see there first. I do prefer them with turkey, but we had them like with beef because that's what we had. And I also added some sun-dried tomato, so I'm gonna have one of these. And then I have some leftover sweet potato that I'm gonna have as well. And then I'm making a salad that I have been obsessed with this combo, okay? We have fennel, radicchio, avocado, and arugula. It's so yummy. This lunch is gonna come together in like 10 minutes. All right, so this is my finished lunch salad bowl. We have the arugula, radicchio, lemon, salt, fennel, avocado, balsamic salad, leftover sweet potato, and the spinach feta burger. There's honestly so much flavor in this bowl. So I just got back from a walk. Sorry if you can hear Kashi, my dog, drinking water. I just had a chat with a friend. It's nice. I love like chatting with friends and walking because like I get steps in. I feel like time passed by so quickly and it was a beautiful day. So it was so really, really nice. I'm going to make like a little, actually, should I make ceremonial cacao? Should I make a chocolate smoothie? I don't think I feel like a smoothie because I'm not hungry. No. I'm gonna make ceremonial cacao. I'm gonna add in some chocolate salt from LMNT because it's just anything chocolatey I add this to and immediately makes it better. So let's make some ceremonial cacao. I'm gonna put it over ice because it's warm today. I'm gonna make chicken fried rice. Kind of like the style you get at like Chinese houses, like a fried rice recipe with eggs, chicken, cauliflower rice blend. It's gonna be quick and it's easy, so yeah, let's get into it.
fine.
So this is the finished fried rice. It smells so good and it's so easy to whip up. Of course, the recipe will be down below, but yeah, I'm excited to dig in. Protein, fats, fiber, veggies, yum, yum, yum. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to leave my last what I ate in a day here on the screen so you can get lots more healthy recipe inspiration and recipes. Don't forget to grab your free sample pack of LMNT with any order using the link below. So yummy. I'm drinking a watermelon right now. Yeah, so with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.